How to buy metaverse real estate. Guideline for beginners. Do you know about metaverse real estate? Are you planning to invest in it? If that's the case, then you are at the right place. The hype of metaverse is at a high peak, and surely there is major competition among people regarding that. If you're as curious as we are, keep watching to find out. Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel, METAVERSE AREA, where we entertain you with new updates about the metaverse and what exactly the future holds for us. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell icon right there for more updates. That being said, let's begin. Metaverse is surely an expandable arena. With growing technological developments, it would be no lie to conclude that our future depends on it. With a huge amount of opportunities coming by, metaverse real estate is surely something you should take a look at. You can certainly buy some pieces of land on Metaverse. Not only this, you can sell it too. Further, we are here to let you know the procedure, purpose, and benefits of these. By all means, the upcoming big real estate market isn't the coastlines, markets, or public places. It is the Metaverse real estate. You might be aware of the fact that a growing number of popular personalities and companies are spending millions to acquire property in this virtual real estate arena. As of now, buying land in the metaverse is similar to that of a piece of land in New York 250 years ago. Metaverse real estate isn't completely different from that of the real world. It is just a 3D replica of what the real world looks like, with cities, buildings, parks, and places similar to that of the real world. The metaverse real estate is defined cherry to the eye. You can perform every activity in the metaverse real estate that you tend to perform in the real world. These include shopping, playing games, office meetings, or even virtual concerts. Certainly, metaverse real estate is something you should look at. There are houses where you can walk in, shops where you can buy stuff from. A 3D area where you can do all these fun activities sounds incredible. The hype for this metaverse real estate is beyond your speculations. This is the main reason why the land present in the metaverse real estate is for sale. Some of the public realms include a virtual main hall, which it could lease to retailers. This is to sell the fashion to the avatars, which are present inside the metaverse space. Surely you can buy or lease clothes for your avatar and create your desired look. This isn't all. There is a presence of a master-planned community of more than 100 villas, present on the private island's status, for the sold to the individuals who are interested in buying it. This means that somehow the metaverse arena consists of places, specifically virtual e-commerce environments, which people are planning to build are just equivalent replicas of real-life e-commerce platforms, like Amazon and Etsy. There was no doubt that you could be able to buy such places in the metaverse space shortly. Certainly, there is a definite procedure to buy properties in the metaverse real estate. To buy a property in the virtual land, there is a need to sign up with metaverse platforms like Decentraland, The Sandbox, Axie Infinity, among others. The procedure involves the transaction of money to a well-funded digital wallet. Whether you can convert your dollars to cryptocurrencies like Ether or native currencies of the metaverse you are dealing in, like Mana or Sandbox, and finally store them in your digital wallet. With the presence of such a great ecosystem in the metaverse arena, you can buy, rent, flip, or even sell properties in the digital world, and ownership is through non-fungible tokens, NFTs, title. For the first step, if you want to buy land in the metaverse space, you should visit the property marketplaces of the metaverse, such as Decentraland, Axie Infinity, or Sandbox, and log in on the platform. For the next step, you can scroll through various available pieces of land and compare their pricing with one another. After you have done the searching and selected your desired piece of land you want to buy in the metaverse arena, you should check out more details regarding it. You can do this by clicking on reading more about it. There is an important reminder that a specific metaverse property platform would allow you to make a purchase only through approved cryptocurrencies. For instance, Decentraland only allows users to buy and sell properties using Mana, which is a cryptocurrency created by Decentraland itself. For the next step, you have to link your digital wallet to your property platform account. For this, there is a need that you should get yourself a compatible digital wallet. As for suggestions, MetaMask is by far the most popular digital wallet available in the market today. The best part about this wallet is that it is compatible with almost every property platform in the metaverse. Moving on, one thing is majorly important, which is to fund your digital wallet with a cryptocurrency that is compatible with the digital property platform chosen by you. You can also purchase all these through many exchanges and store the crypto safely in your digital wallet. After you are done with all these procedures, which include selecting the land and funding your linked digital wallet, all you need to do is press the buy button. After doing this, the piece of digital land purchased by you is stored in the form of NFTs in your linked digital wallet after the transaction is complete. For this, you can view your purchased land in the NFTs tab in your digital wallet. This is it all. Now you are certainly the owner of Metaverse Real Estate, a virtual property in the Metaverse space. Also, if you ever think of selling this property shortly, you can surely do so. There are many chances that you could earn a major profit if the cost of selling might increase with the development in technology. By all means, this could boost your finances. Decide that as of now, there is no such negative case regarding buying land in the Metaverse space or selling it. The procedure of doing all of it is quite easier than that of the real world. With growing developments, there is a high chance that the land you own gets more and more developed, and certainly you could be the owner of virtual land that includes some spectacular features. Surely one of you must be keen enough to own such land in the Metaverse space. But this isn't all while buying land in a virtual space known as Metaverse. Here is something you should remember. As pros and cons go hand in hand, for the case when you buy a land in the real world, you can view it. And there is a surety that the land you acquire exists in reality. The same is not applicable for the case of the Metaverse. For buying land in the Metaverse, there is no such security that the land will remain short. There could be a possibility that Metaverse will become non-existent if the platform that you bought the land from fails and goes offline. Certainly, this could make you end up with major loss. But in case of virtual lands, it is somehow mandatory to take risks. The scenario for this is quite similar to that of NFTs and cryptocurrencies. There is no surety that the coin's price will rise or not. Even though people invest, this and other such things you should keep in mind while buying land from the Metaverse space. The point you should keep in mind is that there is a presence of high volatility associated with the cryptocurrencies used to transact in the property market in the Metaverse. Hence, the fluctuation for the price of cryptocurrencies could reflect the valuation of the property you own in the Metaverse. With great gaming, office meetings, renting places, buying land and selling lands, the Metaverse has so much to offer, and you should take a look at all the aspects of the Metaverse. Investing in the digital real estate market in the Metaverse is highly speculative, and it is advisable to research well on the pros and cons regarding these topics. Also, do not forget to contact your financial advisor. This is all about the details regarding how to buy Metaverse real estate. Guideline for beginners. Are you planning to buy land in the Metaverse real estate? What are your thoughts on the Metaverse? Do you like it? Do you prefer investing in Metaverse games? Do let us know the answers to these in the comment section below. That's it for the day, guys. If you enjoyed our video, then do not forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that the next time we come up with more interesting Metaverse stuff, you get notified right away. And we'll see you in the next one.